Okay, let's talk about the property clock. Now, history allows us to look to the past and get an indication of where the future may be heading. Okay, the clock at 12 o'clock indicates the peak market, and 6 o'clock indicates the bottom of the market. The bottom of the market was 2009 in the GFC, and it stayed there for a number of years until 2013 before the market started to bounce back. According to CoreLogic, the market bounced back in 2013 and continued through 2014, 2015 and 2016, just with a constant growth. In 2016, it got into a stage where we call a rising market, and it was going crazy from 10, 20, 30%. We heard of people paying $1 million and 12 months later it was worth 1.2 million. And in 2017, in hindsight, we know that was the peak of the market. And the good news is, based on history, past, present, we can get an indication of where the future is heading. With this information, you can start making logical decisions based on history and cycles. And now, as 2018 has passed and we're into 2019 with a falling market. Now, from the peaks, some of the indicators have told us that it's gone from down by 10 to 15% from the highs of 2017. I have clients that think, why don't we wait 6 or 12 months and see if the market rebounds back. However, history tells us that the market does go up and down, and it does it in a slow process, and this still could be on a downward sideways trend for some years to come. So again, back to whatever's available to you today may not be available to you at some time. So you have to make a decision on whether you sell today or when you want to get out of the market. You may have decided that, let's just pick a number, call it $1 million is what you wanted for the market. It's not available at the moment. However, do you wait to 2020 to 2021 and that $1 million is 950, 940, 900? And as I've mentioned before, when the tide goes out, all boats go with it. So if you're transitioning through the marketplace, it isn't going to make so much difference, except you're going to be paying less stamp duty on the next property. So it is best to make decisions on what we know and not what we don't know. And history has laid out a pattern and cycles to give you an indication of where you should be thinking. Whereas we had rises from the 2000 Olympics up to 2003, and then up to 2006, it remained steady until we got to 2009 and we had the GFC, and we're back to the bottom of the market and softening down. I hope this information has been useful to you in your decision making, and I'm happy to talk further. Just give me a call. Okay, bye for now.